host. The program started and he didn't know he was the host. so
now he's returning the favor.
He's just returning that back to me. Okay, so the expectation was that I should, tell about something, all that. So I don't think anybody is interested in all that.
No, we are interested.
So what I can do is I can tell you a story. Okay, partly scientific, partly fiction. Okay, there's a bird. It's called red wattle lapwing. Anybody knows about it?
अभी भी बनाया ना आपने वो नाम.
There is actually a bird called
अच्छा actually
red wattle lapwing. It is called Valius indicus to be more precise. मराठी में उसको टिटवी बोलते हैं, हिंदी में चिढ़ेरी बोलते हैं.
एवढं संपलं का?
we can understand it. आम्हाला टिटवी माहिती होतं.
So this bird is unusual one. Normally bird you would see it will perch on a tree. This bird doesn't. Has anybody seen a titwi on a tree? No. Have you wondered why?
त्याला आवडत असेल.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So to perch on a tree, the claws have to be designed in a specific way. So there's a very beautiful book, if anybody is interested, How Birds Fly. You just search it and you'll get it. Usually the birds have 3 digits in front, 2 behind. So when it perches, it holds like this. It's got a locking mechanism. So when it sits, it automatically locks. When it flies, it unlocks. This lapwing, it doesn't have this kind of a configuration. It has this kind of a configuration, just like a duck. So you would know why a duck doesn't sit on a tree. So lapwing, it doesn't sit on a tree. Now that poses another problem. Where does it nest? If it can't go on a tree, it has to nest somewhere, right? So what it does, it nests on the ground. What it does is, it looks, its eggs are typically colored whitish with some dots on that, which match with the surroundings. So it lays eggs on the ground. That poses another problem. It gets predators. So this story is about a red wattle lapwing. Now there are many married people here. You would know it. When you have a tiff, so you just wander around to cool off. Get some air. So a lady lapwing, she had a tiff with her husband, and in the fit of the moment, I'm not giving ideas to anyone.
आम्ही पण.
Okay.
तुमच्या स्टोरी पार्टला कान बंद करा तेवढं.
So in the heat of the moment, she just flew off, and the fantasy took her, and she just kept on moving. She didn't cool off. I mean, it must have been one horrible one. So she just went on, and she reached such a point where she didn't know where she's come. So she started exploring, and she found a sea. So that was the first time that lapwing saw a sea. So she was amazed. By the way, all these lapwings, they nest around water bodies. They just don't nest anywhere. They nest around the water body. So she said, "Oh, wow, this is a beautiful place. Maybe I'll find somebody else." And she was wandering around. And just as fancy took, she laid her eggs on the beach. She saw a huge beach. I mean, what a wonderful place this is. Nice, everything. So she laid the eggs and then she wandered off to have her food. Now sea waves come and go. So one wave took the eggs inside. And then she came back. She saw the eggs are not there. She was damn perplexed. So there was one vulture who was watching all this. And he was also amazed. How come a lapwing has come over here? So she was searching and then he said, "Yes, what happened?" So she just buzzed off. So he said, "Wow, what a lady with such attitude." So she said, "Sorry lady, but you were looking for something apparently." She just buzzed off. What is happening? He sat around carefully. But then after some time, that mom is a mom. She was worried about the eggs. So she said, "Okay, I was searching for my eggs." He said, "Oh, the sea took it." She said, "What?" "Yeah, the sea took it." Then she got damn buzzed off. I mean, she said, "Give my eggs back." She called the sea up and he said, "Give my eggs back." Now the sea is calm and huge and all that. She just looked and ignored her. She said, "Just give my eggs back or you'll have it." So she was, amazed. Such a small lapwing, she is threatening me. But then he said, "Okay, you do whatever." She said, "No, you give my eggs back." He said, "No, you do whatever you want." So she said, "Okay, I'll teach you a lesson." You must have heard this story. This is a mythological story. But then the lapwing, she said, "I'll dry you out. I'll dry you out. I'll not leave one single drop over here." He said, "Okay, go ahead." Because he was confident. So she just, suck a little water, go beyond the mountain and throw it. She came back and she just went on doing that because that fit of anger, a mother when challenged, you better have it. So she started doing all this. Then one sparrow was going around. The sparrow saw, what is she doing? So he just went and, what are you doing? Buzz off. Because she is, that side of. Again he went. So 3-4 times that sparrow tried. Then she said, such and such thing has happened with me. So that feeling, biradari, hamara biradari. So that sparrow went and told all the sparrows, हमारी एक बहन के साथ ऐसा हो गया है. We want to try out the sea. So all the sparrows came. They also started doing all this. Now vulture was also watching all this. He said, now I also have to lend a shoulder. So he started. Then all vultures started. ऐसा करके करके पूरा पक्षी जमात उधर जमा हो गया. Now that sea, he felt threatened. अब कुछ होगा मेरा. But then again he was confident. I have so much of water and all that. So there are resourceful people around. They have contacts everywhere. They have connects to everyone. So one vulture had a connect with Garuda. Garuda, we know, he is the vehicle of Vishnu. So he went and then he told Garuda, अपने बिरादरी के साथ ऐसा हो गया है, you have to come and help. He said, come on man, you just sort it out. That's an earthly problem. I'm in heaven. ये मेरा काम नहीं है. Not my job. So he said, अगली बार इलेक्शन को खड़ा रहेगा तो फिर सोचेगा. So he said, boss, अब करना पड़ेगा कुछ. वोट बैंक का सवाल है. So but Vishnu had a very urgent meeting at that point in time. So he said, boss, I have to fly. He said, you next time when you stand for election, you सोच लेना तू. So he said, okay, I'll just come with you. So he went down. Now he's there. Vishnu is my time. So he calls up the secretary. Oh, Vishnu को बोलना चलो हमने को जाने हैं. तो बोलता नहीं सर वो गरुड़ा तो नीचे गया है. और गरुड़ा नीचे गया है क्यों गया है? So then that story was narrated to Vishnu. Now ultimately meeting is important. But then since Garuda is gone, he said something must be very important if he's gone down. So he went to Garuda. What happened? Then he said oh, कुछ problem है अपना जमात में कुछ हो गया है. So then he went to that lapwing and then asked her what happened. She said she has taken my eggs and I'm going to dry him out. I want my eggs. So then Kshirosagar and Vishnu, you know what is the relation. So then he said, Papa, iska de do aap वापस. So then he folded hands and then he came and gave the eggs back to the lapwing. The moral of the story is, if we all try, even Lord Vishnu will have to come here. This is what we have done today. So thank you so much. You all came here. You spent your morning, your efforts, and please do come back again and again. Thank you.
थँक यू.
We'll move now. Chalo.
चला. हेल गरुडा.